Okay. Thank you, Elijah. Just one time.
One time?
My
You gotta stay back in case somebody has to come out. You just stay back.
Are you doing go two?
Yes, we're gonna go to
Star one.
Cafe.
record the Schindler on the floor. Well, let's wait. There could be friends coming out, so let's wait. Hold on. Is there friends? Okay, no friends.
No. Two on.
Nope, no 2 are. Just 2. It is a Schindler, Daniel. How does he know? How does he know?
I don't know. Man.
What kind of elevator is this?
It's a Schindler. Look right here.
There's gotta be a way to tell
Schindler.
by the outside of the
And what kind of elevator is this?
or the buttons or okay. So
No.
we gotta go through all the
So like,
pictures. Yeah.